For this LED maintenance plan, I'm going to start with a rectangular room, setting that up to be 14.5 by 9 by 2.9 meters high. Overall view of the scene, that pulls it into the CAD window. I'm going to set out a field arrangement, and it's going to be using a DIALux modular R600 LED fitting, and this has an IP rating of 44 from underneath the fitting. Using the mounting tab, I'm going to make sure that the distance between fittings is modular. So I'm going to make that 2.4 by 2.4, and I'm after an average of about 500 lux here, which is close to that value. I'm going to insert that arrangement, doing a right click on a fitting. The whole array can be aligned and centered in the space. To get to the maintenance factor aspect of this, click on the room. That brings up a maintenance plan method tab. Selecting that, and for the full method you need to click on this button here for the extended EN12464. The ambient conditions, you've got a choice there of very clean, clean, normal and polluted, and I'm imagining this to be an office, so I'm going to select clean. And the maintenance interval, there's a set of choices there, and annual, I'm going to keep with that. And then going down to the field arrangement, right click on that, and then you can get access to edit maintenance factors. And on this maintenance factor tab you can set the maintenance interval for the luminaires, and I'm going to keep to annual. The luminaire type, that list, the nearest one to the luminaire is dustproof IP5X, given that the fitting is IP44. The hours of operation in a year, there's some choices there. I'm going to keep with this 2.58 thousand hours, which is for a 5-day shift at 10 hours. And I'm going to select a replacement interval, or really the sort of operating life of the luminaire, of 10 years. Tab that in. We're going to sort that out in a moment, in that the lamp type is going to be user defined because LED is not in the list, and this value here we're going to set for ourselves, and because the data I've seen is giving 0.7 at 30,000 hours, and that interval is slightly smaller, about 26,000. I'm entering 0.75. LSF, lamp survival factor, is going to be ticked and left at 1, meaning that the expectation is that no lamps will fail. I'm not going to check this one because individual replacement of defective lamps, that's practically not possible. So it's better to go for the option that the expectation is that lamps will not fail. And these other values are determined by other factors that have been set up here, and the overall maintenance factor has come out to be 0.69. And a note can be added, perhaps based on a lifetime of 10 years. Okay, the calculation can now be run. And then we'll have a look at the single sheet output. Getting the full width view, and I'll scroll down there on the right. The average on the work plane is 500 lux. And the next thing to do is to have a look at the maintenance plan in the output. Expand room 1, check that box for the maintenance plan so it will go into a report. Double click on that, and this gives out the assumptions and the parameters for that maintenance plan of 0.69. Thank you very much for listening to the video.